Hey guys, what's up? It's Carly, and today if I look particularly bright, it's because of my new skincare secret weapon, the Glow Recipe Pineapple-C Bright Serum. I've been using it every day, morning and night, and it's totally transformed my skin. It's made my skin so much more glowy, bright, and smooth. I love how it's made with 22% pineapple juice, which is a natural source of vitamin C, AHA, and bromelain enzymes. It also has 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a really stable form of vitamin C and ascorbic acid. It really helped get rid of dullness and fade my dark spots. My skin is really dry and sensitive, so it's really hard to find a brightening treatment that doesn't irritate my skin. Not only is the Pineapple-C Bright Serum super gentle on my skin, but it actually works to soothe my skin thanks to the chamomile extract and aloe gel in the formula, and my skin never feels parched because of the hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I just use 2 drops of the serum every morning and night after cleansing and toning. I love how silky the serum is on my skin and how it smells just like pineapples. I like to say that it doesn't only brighten my skin, but it also brightens my day. Immediately after applying, my skin looks super glowy and almost has a glass skin-like look. I follow up with the Pink Juice Moisturizer and SPF during the day, and then at night I use the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask for an extra brightening and smoothing boost. I've gotten so many compliments on my skin since using this product. I can't wait for you guys to all try the serum and fall in love with it as much as I have.